Hello friends, so I'm back with new video on latest girl jobs today, and this posting is for Saudi Arabia and they are hiring junior accountant. Salary will be 2300 Saudi Riyal plus food and accommodation. Shortlisting in progress, so and there will be a online interview shortly. So you can send your document for shortlisting. Next is for Europe for a road construction project, and this is free recruitment, so there will be no service charge. And they are hiring for lab assistant civil and electrician maintenance. Walk-in client interviews on 5th, 6th, and 7th of August. You can send your CV to sin13@sinclass.com. Next is for Saudi for NSH. Face to face interview on 6th of August in Chennai. They are hiring warehouse manager, material controller, storekeeper, material engineer, and warehouse supervisor. Minimum 5 years of experience in the relevant field is required. Free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. This is the same position. In previous posting, interview location was Chennai on 6th August, and for the same positions, there will be interviews in Kochi office on 5th August. This is for Dubai for a long-term project. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Final client interviews will be on Zoom in Mumbai at Mumbai International Office on 5th, 6th, and 7th from 12 p.m. onwards. And the positions are project manager, project engineer, technical engineer, planning engineer, QA/QC engineer, construction manager, site engineer, civil supervisor, quantity surveyor, and QA/QC inspector. All candidates should have B diploma in civil and 5 plus years of Gulf experience in construction of high-rise building is required. Next is for Dhabi, and the final client interview will be the same like previous 5, 6, and 7. This is going to be a Zoom interview. I am scrolling up and down so that you can take screenshot of relevant positions. Accountant, administration officer, data entry operator, civil construction manager, document controller. So those who are looking for data entry operator can apply. HSC manager, material coordinator, permit coordinator, planning assistant, project engineer, planning engineer, QA/QC inspector, engineer, document controller, QA/QC, senior administration officer. There are bulk openings, so you can take a screenshot and read it carefully. All candidates should have 3 plus years of Gulf experience in oil and gas. You can see the multiple contact numbers are given, so you can approach them and you can send your CV on mechanical@indiapersonal.com. Next is for Saudi walk-in shortlisting on 4th, 5th, and 6th of August. Super sugar driver, heavy drivers, bus driver, and minibus driver. All candidate must have Saudi license, valid or expired. Both will be considered. Attractive salary, free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Dubai, for a Dubai cable company, and it's a free recruitment. Shortlisting in progress at Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi offices, and they are hiring machine operators. Salary will be attractive. Free food accommodation will be provided by company. You can see the contact numbers of all 3 offices are given here and the email addresses as well. So like as per your location, you can contact the nearest office. Next is for Saudi for oil and gas plant construction project. Walk-in for shortlisting on 5th, 6th, and 7th of August. Final client interview at Mumbai, Baroda, Surat, and Chennai shortly. They are hiring rigger foreman, hydrotest foreman, painting, blasting foreman, structure steel foreman, and building foreman. All candidates must have 5 plus years of experience in oil and gas construction project. Gulf experience preferred. Free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for UAE shortlisting in progress, and there will be online interview shortly. You can see there are multiple positions. All candidates must have experience in aluminium extrusion factory or relevant industry. Accommodation, transportation, and OT will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi, for a reputed manufacturing company. Shortlisting in progress, and there will be online interview shortly. So they are hiring for quality leadman, quality section head, production engineer, production engineer electrical and mechanical, and product designer. Attractive salary, other benefit will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi again, for a oil and gas construction company. Walk-in for shortlisting on 5th, 6th and 7th of August. Final client interview will be at Madurai and Chennai shortly. Work permit receiver, supervisor civil, data entry operator, document controller, billing, steel fixer, wall painter, mason, shuttering carpenter, surface grinder, and marble mason or cutter. Must have experience in construction of oil and gas plant, especially in Gulf countries. For work permit receiver, Saudi Aramco valid or experience card or expired card is mandatory. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. So interviews will be in Madurai and Chennai. Next is for Saudi, for a oil and gas construction project, and they are hiring for admin officer. MBA HR is a must with minimum 8 to 12 years of experience in the oil and gas or construction industry. To apply, you can send your documents to sin20@sinclass.com. Next is for UAE, Dubai, and you can see the positions: construction manager, project engineer, site engineer, technical engineers, planning engineers, QA/QC engineers, civil supervisors, and quantity surveyors. Candidate with BE, BTech in civil engineering having experience in high-rise building construction projects can apply. You can send your document along with updated CV on sin6@sinclass.com. Next is for the Dubai client interview will be at Trichy on 6th of August, and the positions are security guard, freshers with basic communication skill, salary will be 1800. Metro cleaners, freshers with basic communication skill, AD 1800. Basic qualification 10th passed, need basic communication skill, security guard height 175 centimeter and above. 11 hours duty, free accommodation, free transportation. Age limit will be between 21 to 38 of years. Candidate with related experience send CV with valid contact number, qualification, certificates, and passport copy. So friends, those who are looking for a fresher's job and those who want to start a career in Gulf, and if they are ready for this position, then they can apply immediately. Next is for Saudi, for a long-term project, urgent requirement. Direct client interview will be on 9th August in Chennai. So you can see the positions, and the salary range is given for all the positions, and experience in pipeline fabrication in oil and gas field. 8 hours duty, food and accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi again, for Sarco and maintenance company. Interview will be on 10th August at Trichy. So here also you can see the positions and salary range is given. There are total 28 open positions. Client interview attractive salary, large number of vacancies. Technician must have 10, 12 ITI diploma with minimum 5 years of experience in maintenance project. B engineers are accepted, BTech are not accepted. Accommodation, transportation and medical insurance will be provided by company. So you can see the contact number. Next is for Saudi. Direct line interview at Trichy on 10th August. Probably the same positions, few more positions have been added, so you can go through it and apply accordingly. So it has duty, overtime, free accommodation, free transportation, age limit 22 to 45 years. Next is for Oman client interview in Chennai on 6th August. Planning engineer, quality inspector, trainee engineer, structural fabricator and structural fitter. Free accommodation, 5 days working. Next is for a 4-star hotel in Jubail, Saudi. Sales executive, restaurant supervisor. Salary will be 2,500 Saudi Riyal to 3,500 Saudi Riyal. Contract will be of 2 years and benefit as per Saudi labor law. Accommodation, transportation, Ikama, medical will be provided by company. Next is for UAE client interview will be on 12th of August, Marine Shipyard project. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Supervisor pipe structurer, experience in piping and structural work is required. Foreman pipe structurer, similar field experience is required. Fabricator pipe structurer, fitter pipe structurer, MIG ARC welder and TIG ARC welder. 6G piping welding, 3G, 4G, FCAW welder. This is for Saudi again. Online interviews, industrial electrician, auto denter, auto spray painter, auto mechanic, aluminium fabricator, water tank driver, road construction worker, all-rounder mason, furniture carpenter, paint mixture expert, house driver, bawarchi, cook, Arabic house cook and trailer driver. So friends, thank you for watching, and if you are new on this video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.